Hi everyone, my name's Adam Poole. I'm founder and CEO of Safety Compass. We're a team of 5 based in Wollongong. Our vision is to create a world where everyone comes home from work. GE defines industrial IoT as brilliant machines, predictive analytics, and people at work. I think you could probably switch that around because people at work is the most important thing. Why? Around the globe, someone's killed on a job every 15 seconds. 6,500 people a day, 2.5 million people a year go to work, and it's the last thing they ever do. Workplaces have an almost symbiotic relationship with the people that work there, and a connected workplace through industrial IoT strengthens this bond. Work isn't as simple as turning up, doing things, and going home. It's more like turn up, get input from dozens of sensors, SCADA input, wireless telemetry, then do your work, then get home to your family. Safety Compass can and will tap into the IoT-enabled workplace, connecting workers to their surrounding and greatly increasing their situational awareness, therefore reducing injuries. And it's all for a simple per user per month business structure. And what better way to communicate everything IoT has to offer than augmented reality? There's a ton of research from everyone from Boston Tech right down to AR commentators, that augmented reality is the 4th pillar of Industry 4.0. And that's what we do, provide real-time, location-specific workplace safety information through augmented reality. Simply select the hazard, understand the information, and you're ready to get on with the job. You can add images, hyperlinks, free text, and up to 10 PDFs. Why manufacturing? Well, you're twice as likely to die in a factory as you are on a mining site. Statistically, there's been 13 manufacturing-related deaths in Australia just this year, and more than 15,000 serious injuries. Reducing injuries reduces downtime. It's as simple and as complicated as that. Thank you.
Awesome, thank you.
How did you come up with the idea?
Good question. So I've worked in industrial safety myself for almost 10 years, and I was doing a Masters in Safety at Uni of Wollongong, and had an idea that I pitched through their pitch comp, and here we are.
Excellent, good on you.
So I was probably the first person that Adam ever pitched to, just
Yeah.
for information. We funded him. Excellent pitch. Why don't you tell us where you're at with your customers, customer traction?
So we've got Safety Compass available in both iOS and Android on the market at the moment. We have 6 international distribution partners and 6 active pilots at the moment. So everything from a small construction company in Canada to the largest wind farm in the world in Denmark. As an enterprise product, it's a slow sales cycle, so we need to work through the pilot process first and convert from there.
And what is the feedback you're getting so far, Adam?
It's been great. There hasn't been a single person that said this is a stupid idea, which is good. So with the pilot in Denmark, we simply gave them access. They logged in and started using it straight away. So very simple to pick up and run with.
Awesome.
And Richard, how much does it cost?
So the base price is $19.90 per user per month, and we can scale that down depending on enterprise numbers.
Okay.
So if you've got 100,000 employees, that's not very practical. So yeah, we can scale it from there.
Okay. Is there any way to shortcut that enterprise sale cycle? In other words, is there a way to sell directly to the user versus the organization that has to put this stuff together?
There is for the smaller companies.
Yeah.
For the larger companies who are in control of the safety information and the hardware, you have to go through the enterprise sale, unfortunately.
And Adam, I mean, you've come so far since then. I'm just so delighted to see you. But really picking up on that, what are the risks there then for you for that long sales cycle, enterprise sales? How can you short circuit it? What are you looking at that's going to short circuit that?
So one way we've identified to short circuit that is through established resellers. So companies that are already selling hardware to industry, so light curtains, laser monitoring in manufacturing. So that's one way as a value-add product to companies that already have that relationship in place.
So quick question from me, like is it the user's device that they're using? Are you installing the app on, if I was on the site, do I use my iPhone or is this something that you provide?
Yeah, correct. So you use your iPhone, and a lot of companies have corporate provided phones. So Snowy Hydro, for example,
Yeah.
every single person that works there, almost 7,000 people, have a company provided iPhone.
Okay, you probably need to provide a battery pack as well, just to keep it charged down. All right, I think that's time. Thank you very much.
Thank you.